What's up everyone, Allan Morrow here from AIM Studios. I was just literally working on a little piece of a section of a track because I got a bit of an idea in my head about just having this little section with some sort of nice plucks. And I sort of stumbled across this sort of little way to sort of create cool and unique sort of call and response plucks in a different way than I usually would. So I thought I would share it with you guys. So I'll just flick across to the screen, 1 second. So here I am inside this project, just having a little bit of a play around. Say just draft stuff, just getting bits down, just see if it can spark any inspiration. Very simple, not finished or anything like that. But I just wanted to show you this little technique that I've done here with this pluck. So I've got this original pluck here, just one from the AIM Studios Silent One Trance plucks bank, if you're interested. So I've just picked a pluck out from here. And I thought this little gap here needed sort of filling with something. And usually I would maybe have like a bit of a counter pluck or something like that. But I decided to go down a little bit of a different route. So I thought I'd try something like this. So what I've basically done is I'll let you hear this one as well. For playing both together, you get this sort of cool effect, and I'll tell you how I did it in a second. So it's playing nicely right in between these two notes here. Sorry, this section here and this section here. Let's play it again. So what I've basically done here, ignore this, I've not done any sort of leveling or anything like that just yet. I've basically just taken another pluck sound. So I'll just show you this one's slightly different to the other original one. If I just take this effect off. Take the EQ off as well. So it's just a pluck like that. Then what I decided to do was put the reverb on it. And what I've done here is I've actually reversed the reverb. So if I go back to what it would sound like normally, if you just put a normal reverb on there, you'd have something a bit like this. With a bit of reverb on there. But what I decided to do was crank the wet right up, bring the dry right down, so it's just the reverb sound, and then I've reversed the reverb. So you get this like nice cool call and response. So you got the plucks and then the reverb of the other one. Bring in the other elements for now. So yeah, I thought I'd just share that with you in case it sort of sparked any inspiration or ideas for yourselves. Something that I've not really ever done before, so as I say, I like to share it with you guys. So yeah, hopefully it gives you some sort of inspiration or some ideas from it. If you haven't yet done so, please hit the subscribe and the notification bell on this channel. As I say, I do sort of share tips and stuff like this every so often. Not every so often, nearly every week. So yeah, please hit the subscribe and notification bell. And yeah, thanks a lot for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.